In this demonstration I'm going to be showing a bit more about the waypoint and marks and placing one in a bit more of a realistic situation. So what I've done is I've loaded up an area of Fraser Island and I'm going to place a waypoint or a mark down near Sandy Point over here. And see, it's a bit close to the water there, so I might just move it a bit. Just a bit closer. There we go. Now what I can do is I can tap and hold on this waypoint. So just tap and hold and it should bring up a menu, and I'm going to select properties, and then I'm going to type for the label of this mark or waypoint Sandy Camp. And I'm going to tick this label button because if I don't, it won't actually label it. So I'll show you. I'll just quickly show you. So if I press OK now, it doesn't actually say Sandy Point campsite. If I tap and hold again and go to properties and select label, you'll see what will happen when I press OK. You can see it's come up with the label of Sandy Camp. So let's go back to the properties and I'll just show you a few more options while we're there. You can change the position, you could adjust it a bit if you wanted, if you knew the exact coordinate of the location. We can give it a symbol. So in this instance, because it's a campsite, let's just add a campsite icon. And when I go to more, I can get some proximity options for having an alarm. So say in a 5-kilometre radius, let's have a proximity alarm, and that means when we enter that area it's going to come up with an alarm to show us we're in the proximity of this campsite. So if I press OK, and if I press OK again, you can see the radius of the alarm. So if we were to be driving along and we hit in this region or this proximity, an alarm will sound to show that we're in this Sandy Camp area. And you can also see that the icon has changed to a little camp symbol. So what I'll finally do is, if you want some more information on this waypoint or mark, you can add a bit of your own little notes down here. It won't show up on the screen, but if you were to go into this you could make your own notes or references. So I might just say good fishing, and maybe watch out for the rocks, or anything you like. I'm just making something up, but anything relevant. You can talk about the fires or the conditions or anything. It's up to you. So I'll select OK. So that's just for your own reference.